affect the accuracy, the arrow flight. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If I would have shorter arrows, I would try to demonstrate this. So it's good to shoot in a spot where there are not many shots into the target, maybe under the target. Okay. Then you see that I will try to draw the ball. For example,
He's teaching.
okay. For me it's about 28 centimeters where the string are passing, it's coming the corner of the mouse. For me it's about 28 inch. Then you see if I shoot with the different grasping techniques. So one is absolutely sporty, so I put the pressure point inside the bow, I let the fingers loose. Especially that I don't want that the bow will incline or make something. Then if you shoot in a target where it was, it's quite virgin, so nobody will make holes there and it's not shoot it, then you will see the penetration power of the, how much the arrow go inside. If these arrows are absolutely similar, you will see that some of the arrows will go more into the target, some of them less. These are identical. Then let's have 3 shots with this yellow arrow. I will try to make to shoot them without a special grasp, just the normal motion.
See how the penetration goes?
Yeah. Not more than 3 because there is no thumb protection, so I'll be troubled. The other thing, I will try the grasp of military technique. So I put the finger especially in this way. Yes. But I will draw the same to have an idea about the penetration. So if you look there, then we can maybe see the difference. So the yellow ones, they were.
This is the last one. I show you the technique. We go penetrate more. I know.
This also the same.
Yes.
Yes. The point, okay, we made this with chronograph. Then the idea is that the velocity of the arrow is increased with 12%.
By using
So we use with different strings, different bows. We use 48-pound bow, 41 bows. And for example, with the 41-pounder, the maximum average, so we shoot a lot, that in order that, yes, we film also to see exactly the draw length. Then the velocity of the arrow shooted with the normal grasp, it was 152 lbs, and with the military grasp, it was 170. So this means we increase the speed of the arrow with 12%. In matter of penetration power, it's near 30% increase the penetration power. Then this it's something. On the battlefield, this 30%, it's something.
Yeah.
Why I say? Because the people who were using in all time this technique, especially because they need power of penetration. So the horseback archer is limited by the power of eagle. He cannot use strong bows.
Correct.
He can use on the ground, but on the horseback he cannot use them okay, so this not demonstrate nothing because the target may have a weak point, so we don't know.
Yeah.
But the idea is that on the chronograph that it was more
Accurate.
accurate.
Yes.